I have had a couple of bills that I think might have a chance of getting a hearing this session. One of them deals with art therapist and ensures that if you are practicing as an art therapist, that you're not doing so without the requisite education and training. Another bill I have is for the individual development accounts, and what it does is it requires the individual development account is a wonderful program that we offer at the state. It is a program that matches savings for low to moderate income individuals so that they can actually receive more in return for those savings. So it's about a 6-to-1 match. And right now there are about 5 different criteria that will enable you to use your individual development account savings dollars. And we're going to add one more, and that would be that you could purchase an automobile with your individual development account savings if you are enrolled in a school, so that you are using that automobile as a way to transport yourself back and forth to school. We have a very inadequate transportation system, and people who need to get the training so that they can get the jobs have a difficult time accessing public transportation. And I'm also working closely with Senator Becker on a bill that will deal with the reauthorization of FSSA. They have sunset, but we've put some emergency provisions in place to keep them going. But we're very concerned about their rulemaking authority, which they have used quite liberally this past year, which allows them to make rules, to execute rules without any oversight from the legislative body. There was about $440,000 that was cut right out of the FSSA budget that dealt with the prenatal care for high-risk women who are low to moderate income, so that they can get the services that they need, the health services they need to help them have healthy babies. And the $440,000 that the FSSA folks will save from cutting that out of the budget is nothing compared to the cost of having a premature baby that's born with a lot of health issues. So it's very short-sighted, and that's just one example of the ability to just make random choices at FSSA without any legislative oversight. So we're very much opposed to that, and we will not support the reauthorization of FSSA unless we do something to tighten the rules on rulemaking.